Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measure and Mix. Today I have 10 Dollar Tree hacks for you that will be perfect for your 4th of July celebration or your Summer Backyard BBQ. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Alright, let's get started. For this first hack, I'm going to be using the Dollar Tree thin pizza crust, and just like the package says, it's great on the grill. I'm going to go ahead and pop it onto the grill and grill both sides of the crust. I'm going to get it a little bit crispy, but not too crispy because I'm going to be putting a toothpick through the pizza crust. So then I'm just going to take my pizza crust and I'm going to cut it up into little square bite-sized pieces. Dollar Tree also sells the Hormel pepperoni, so I picked up a pack of that. And then I also picked up a package of string cheese in the cold section at Dollar Tree, which comes in a pack of 3. Then I'm going to be placing all of this onto these little frilled toothpicks I got from Dollar Tree as well. Now all I'm going to do is take the string cheese and cut those into little bite-sized pieces and place that on my toothpick first, and then take a piece of pepperoni and fold that in half and place that underneath my cheese. And then last comes the crust, and I'm going to place that on my toothpick as well. And that's why you don't want your crust too crispy, because it'll break apart on you when you place it onto the toothpick. So if it's a little bit softer, then it will work out perfect. Then I just did that for all of my bite-sized little pieces, and it worked out perfectly. Lastly, don't forget the pizza sauce for dipping. I picked this up at Dollar Tree as well, and you can heat it up. And that is it. You have a perfect poolside snack or a little appetizer for the summer. For this next hack, I'm going to be using these clay pots from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 2, and I'm going to line each one of them with a piece of tin foil. And I'm going to create a little roaster to use to roast marshmallows. This is a great idea if you don't have access to a fire pit. And to create the heat, all I'm going to do is use the leftover coals that I used to grill my pizza crust. So I'm just going to plop the coals inside that tin foil that is inside my clay pot. And then all I'm going to do is roast my marshmallow. I just put it on the end of a long skewer that came from Dollar Tree, and it worked perfect. Now do be careful because the clay pots are very hot, so you'll want to use a pot holder or something to handle them. But it makes the perfect s'more for your backyard barbecue. The next hack, I'm going to be making some ice cream with this Yoo-Hoo chocolate drink from Dollar Tree that comes in a pack of 3 and a can of the sweetened condensed milk. Then I'm going to be using this cup that comes from Dollar Tree. It's just a plastic sippy cup, which is perfect to hold the ice cream in. So I'm just going to place the Yoo-Hoo drink in the cup and then place a third of the can of sweetened condensed milk in the cup as well. Next, I'm just going to place the lid back on. Now the lid does have a little hole and the straw has a hole in it. So I covered the holes up with my fingers and shook it up really nicely. It did spill a little bit. So I would suggest using a towel to mix it all up, or mixing it in your blender and then placing it in the cups would work as well. Once it was all mixed up, I placed it in the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours, and it came out and it looked like ice cream. It kind of reminds me of a Wendy's Frosty, and it tastes like that too. So this is a great way to cool off in the summer. Now I'm going to be using these shower caps that come in a pack of 6 from Dollar Tree. They are just plastic shower caps, but they fit perfectly around some glass bowls. And I'm just going to place one on the bottom and wrap it around the top. And then I'm going to place some ice cubes in between the shower cap and the bowl. And this is a perfect way to keep your side dishes cold in the summer heat. You can even freeze ice packs and place that in between the plastic as well. And a bonus hack with these shower caps, you can use them to cover the tops of your bowls to keep bugs away, or if you don't have a lid. This next hack is a great way to keep you cool in the summertime. I'm going to be using these microfiber cleaning towels. They come in a pack of 2 from Dollar Tree. And I picked up a pack of these floral gel beads. They are just plastic beads that absorb water and keep the water absorbed for a long time. Now with the microfiber towel, I'm going to be creating a tube. So I'm going to place some hot glue on one side of the towel, and I'm going to fold that towel 1/4 of the way up and secure that one side down. And then I'm going to place some more hot glue on that same side that I just folded and fold that side over again. And then I'm going to take my last fold and secure that down with some more hot glue. You can definitely sew this or use some fabric glue. It's your option to do that. I just use hot glue for everything, and if you guys have followed my channel, you know that. So the next thing that I'm going to do is just turn over to the other side that is not glued, and I'm going to secure that bottom 2 layers together with some more hot glue, and then secure the top 2 layers together with some hot glue. And I'm going to leave a opening in the middle there so that way we can insert the beads there. But first I need to go ahead and hot glue the top of my towel together so that way nothing falls out. Then I'm going to come back and just pour my beads into that hole there. And once they are all filled up, which I used 1 bottle to fill it all up, I am going to secure that opening closed with some hot glue. Then all that's left to do is run it under some cold water and wring it out so that way it is just damp and not soaking. And then I just place it around my neck, and it can keep me cool all day long. And if it dries out, just place it in some more water. This idea is another great way to stay cool in the summertime, and it's super affordable. I just picked up 2 packs of these sponges from Dollar Tree, and 6 of them come in a pack. But I couldn't find the ones without the scrubbers on them, so I'm just going to gently pull the scrubbers off of the sponge. I just pulled on the edges of the scrubber and they came right off. Just be gentle so that way you don't pull your whole sponge apart. And then I'm going to go ahead and take my sponge and cut it into 4 equal pieces. Then with those 4 pieces, I'm going to cut each of those pieces in half, so that way I have 8 pieces all together. Then I took all of those 8 pieces and I bunched them up and kind of tried to make them even. They don't have to be perfect. And then once they are all bunched up, I'm going to take a rubber band and I'm just going to tie them together in the middle so that way they create a starburst, or I'm going to say a firework effect since we're super close to the 4th of July. And then all you do is place them in a bucket and fill the bucket up with water, and they absorb the water. And this is perfect to toss around just like water balloons, but you don't have the mess, and you actually get more wet with these, I think, than with water balloons. This next hack is super simple and it will help keep your little ones clean and safe during the summertime fun. I'm going to take these little mini cups from Dollar Tree and I'm just going to cut a little X in the bottom of each one of these cups, just very carefully with a box cutter. And then I'm going to place a popsicle inside through that X that I made, and it holds it perfectly to keep your little ones' hands clean while they eat a popsicle. And bonus, turn the cup upside down and place a sparkler in there, and it will keep your little one's fingers safe. This hack is a great way to have fireworks without the fire for the kiddos. Get these glow stick batons with the lanyards and attach the lanyards, and then take 3 of them and put them together, and all you do is swing them around in a circle and you have an instant firework. Just make sure the kiddos aren't standing too close to each other. This next hack is an easy, fun game to play at night, glow-in-the-dark bowling. I picked up a pack of these glow-in-the-dark bracelets. 16 of them come in a pack. I just went ahead and activated 10 of them and then placed each one of those glow sticks inside an empty bottle of water. And then I'm going to use for my bowling ball one of these glow-in-the-dark lanterns that I just put together. And then I set up my pins and I had an instant glow-in-the-dark bowling. This last hack, I'm going to be using 2 of these white shower curtain liners from Dollar Tree. They have the magnets at the bottom of them, and I'm going to hang them on the side of my house doubled up, and the magnets are going to help keep everything in place so that way they don't fly away, and it's going to work perfectly as a movie screen for our projector so that way we can watch a movie at the end of our summer evening. And I got this projector a long time ago to display Halloween and Christmas scenes, but you can also watch a movie on it, so I'll leave a link to it down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed these hacks and you enjoy your summer. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.